How to boost speed in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now here, simply tap on play. Now pick a mode that you want to play. So here I'm tapping on 1. So we inside the game here. So the basic way to boost is by simply tapping on this right boost button. So here you can easily give the direction, and in order to boost, simply tap on this button, and as you can see, the snake will be boosted. So when do you use it? Basically, you use this feature when you want to run or even kill other enemies. So it's a way of escaping or a way of having different strategies in order to kill other people. At last, you can collect all these fruits and grow a bigger snake. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.